Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Firebase push notifications. In the last video, we have done how to send the push notification or get the SS token, but the code is not yet released. So today we are going to do it via the Node.js applications, right? So how to generate the SS token. So you can see that in the Firebase Cloud Messaging, here you can see that this is my old account, this is my new account. Okay, the cloud messaging, here you can see that the cloud messaging API legacy is disabled. Then how to fix it? No need to fix anything. So we are going to use this cloud messaging API v1. So in this one, what is the new latest changes we have? So we have to change our process of sending the notifications. So we have to send the notifications with the help of this. Here you can see that this is our new URL for sending the push notifications. This is the token, this is the notification body and the title, right? And most importantly thing what we require here, that is in the headers, that is authorization and the bearer SS token. Okay, so how to generate this SS token we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this time we are going to generate via the Node.js. So Node Firebase. I need the token also. So here we go with our FCM token. I'm going to copy paste this and try to add this our token over here. Okay. So let's try to save this and hide this one. And let's run node firebase.js. Okay, what is the issue? Permissions denied with this cloud messaging project. This, let's see what permissions we require. Dot create. Okay, I think permissions may not exist. Let me check this one. What's the okay, I just forgot about the project ID. So this is not my project ID. So project ID is this one. So here we go with my project ID. We go to this one, and this is journal. I need this one, project ID. Okay, I'm going to add this. Okay, save this and just try to run again. And let me just open the Firebase where I receive the push notifications like this. So make it like this, or make it like this here. Okay, let's try to send it. Firebase push node firebase.js, because we have already generated the SS token here also. Okay, let's try to send it. And test title, here you can see the push notifications. Here you can see that the status is 200, response is this one, project, right? So if I go to the code level, here you can see that I'm able to get the SS token. So this is the SS token API which try to get the SS token. And if you know how to get this SS token and sending the push notification with the help of this, you need to write me down in the comment section. At least 50 comments I need to get it, so that I will upload this full code to how to send the push notifications using Firebase with the new cloud-based API. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.